Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to put a YouTube short as your WhatsApp status without the link showing. Let's get started. So essentially the best, most foolproof method you can do this by is by simply downloading the YouTube video you wish to share. And there are numerous ways you can do that. And the most classic way you can do that is by simply downloading the YouTube short or the YouTube video you've selected using a tool. For example, you can use a mini tool video converter to download videos from YouTube. And there are multiple other sites by which you can do this. There's videosconverter.com, there's YouTube shorts videoconverter.com. You can use these websites to download your YouTube video or your YouTube short, and then simply all you have to do is go to your WhatsApp and select the video, tap the paperclip icon and locate the video from your phone's gallery, and then you just have to go ahead and post it as your WhatsApp status, and there you go. You will have a YouTube short video as your WhatsApp status without the link showing. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.